Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today it's the Fiat 500 and how to fold down the rear seats in your Fiat 500. This just gives you a bit of extra loading space if you're carrying any bigger items. First of all, you need to open the boot, so I'm just going to go to the rear of the Fiat 500, unlock the boot using the key fob. Then you've just got a small button underneath this Fiat 500 badge. Gently squeeze that and you'll hear it unlock. And then just lift the tailgate up. It is on hydraulics. If you need to pull it back down, you've just got this small strap here, and that is the handle there which releases the lock on the boot. Now we need to remove those headrests. So gently squeeze in these buttons on the right hand side at the same time, and then lift the headrest out. It sits on these two grooves in the metal there, so it can only be adjusted to one position, and then make sure you remove the other one as well. Obviously you can just have one seat folded down, but we're going to be folding down both seats. So on the left hand side here, gently push that lever inwards as you're pushing the seat forwards. Remember to tuck the seat belt out of the way. That seat then just folds down, and we'll do the other one as well. So that lever in the top corner, just push that in and then fold the seat downwards, again folding the seat belt out. Those seats fold down nice and flat. Next we'll just remove the parcel shelf, lift that up. That just unclips away from you, and the other side you can just pull that off. And look at all that extra space in the back of the Fiat 500. Lots of extra space for getting in any big items or lots of shopping. So after you've done your trip and moved everything, you need to put it all back. So to put the parcel shelf back in, just clip that into each side, nice and easy. And to fold the seats back, it's actually easier to do it from inside the Fiat 500. So I'm just going to get into the back from the passenger side. Just move the passenger seat forward. And that slides forward. And they don't clip into place when they're folded down, they just lay down flat. So just lift it up. And remember to tuck the seat belt back round in front of the seat. You don't want to trap that. And then just give it a good little push until it latches into position. That is then locked in. And then the same on the other side. Just lift that upwards. And again, tucking the seat belt round the side over the top of the seat. And giving it a good push so it locks into place. Great stuff. Now I'm going to go back outside and fit the two rear headrests. On some models you may find that these are adjustable, but on these they've only got one specific height that you can have. And that is where it just locks into these divots here. So just line those up. You don't need to push those buttons in again. Slide it down and you'll just hear it click into those divots. That's that one, and now this one on the right hand side. Great stuff. And then to close the boot, you've just got this small strap on the underside of the tailgate. Just gently pull that down. And then the boot closes. Great stuff. I hope you enjoyed that video on the Fiat 500. I'll put some other useful Fiat 500 videos around the edge of the screen. Drive safe. Even this short Fiat 500 video definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea on a cold winter's grey foggy day. Oh, superb.